This thing that came out of the tree is actually the Japanese flying squirrel. Big eyes like Kazlan, so it is also called the big-eyed flying squirrel. The fluff is fluffy and dense, a soft, cute, and weak look. The big eyes are flickering and good, which can be called the ceiling of the squirrel world. The little flying squirrel mainly eats leaves and shoots as a staple food. Not like other squirrels that like nuts. They actually have invisible wings. From the neck to the tail, there is a special membrane. As long as the limbs are opened, this membrane will unfold instantly, can glide up to 15 meters. The little flying squirrel is timid and likes to be clean, rarely takes the initiative to contact humans, but many people like to keep it as a pet because their personality is more lively and active. Coupled with excellent appearance, it is really an irresistible cuteness. When well cared for, they can live up to 15 years.